Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is all about a rattly Defender 110. If you own one of these cars, you know exactly what I'm on about. My name's Adil, and this is all about getting rid of those awful rattles that cars are coming with. So our client picked up the vehicle and realized that there was plenty of rattles and he was just doing his absolute head in. And we see so many of these at the moment. We've just got an urban Defender which is having exactly the same issue. That is having a full sound system at the same time. But this video and this project was all about just soundproofing alone. So you'll see this product I've got in my hand. This is in essence one sheet of soundproofing. We've done 90 sheets of these gone into the car. So what's involved in actually doing that? Fully stripping down the full interior, so all the seats have been out as well, full boot stripped down, all areas, all aspects of that, all the floor lining has all come out as well, and the soundproofing has all been applied to those key areas. Inside the door we've done 3 layers, so basically back of the panel here, the central layer which in essence houses the speaker, and then you've got the back of the door card as well. One really important thing about this particular product is the fact that basically what it does is it reduces rattles as well as it builds a better acoustic environment for the system to work in, and it also reduces that road noise as well. So overall, a really, basically in essence, a foundation level when you're looking at doing a full sound system on a car. Soundproofing is something that we don't really compromise on. I've even turned jobs away where people don't want to have soundproofing done. Either they don't believe in it or they've been told by another company that it's not required. It is definitely a fundamental part of building a better acoustic environment for any speaker to perform in. Basically inside here you've got a mid-bass driver, for instance, in the door. You've in essence got a large bit of metal expansion here that's just resonating all over the place. You're getting a lot of audio loss from this car as well. Even with the stock system that's in the car currently, this stuff will improve the actual acoustic environment inside that door to help it perform. Obviously, when we're doing a full sound system on the car, it does make a hell of a lot more of a difference when you're having these sorts of things done at a foundation level, because obviously you're investing into those speakers, the new amplification, it's well worth doing. So we have got packages available for these new Defenders, but overall a wicked transformation. Nothing's on display, it's all hidden away, but the level of time and attention to detail that's gone into doing this work is absolutely bonkers. The other really important thing about this is obviously with a car being stripped down fully, you might be thinking, well, where on earth do you put the parts? You've seen plenty of our videos now, I'm sure, and if you haven't done, flick back through, see some other videos that we've done of installs, and you'll see how we store parts. And it's a really important part because when we're actually dismantling a car, knowing and getting everything back to exactly where it was before, and also building it in a better way as well, is really important. And the way we do that is a couple of rules that we have, but also the space. I mean, this car's been worked on in a 5-meter bay, but also what this is done in an 11,000 square foot workshop facility with plenty of space around it. When we're talking about soundproofing, it's not actually just the material, it's actually, again, the foundation level of how we install. So you've got the material itself, which yes is very important, and we use a Skinz 3mm layer for it. But what's really important inside the door card, what we do is that everywhere we go, so say we're going into this door, we'll actually tighten all the screws and clips and bolts that are inside this door, creating again a stronger environment for rattle-free environment for our client. But also on top of that, then we put cloth around all the around all the clips, so that then secures it even further as well. So there's a lot more that goes into doing soundproofing a vehicle, and that is again done on a foundation level when you're having a full sound system done. But today's video just wanted to showcase the entire thing to you, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. But there's been plenty more projects on the way. Our workshop is absolutely full at the moment, but there's so much more to show you this coming year. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.